Connects high-speed network components, such as computers, printers, video game systems, Blu-ray players, copy machines, routers and modems. Designed for 1000 base T, 10100 base T, Ethernet, 100 megabits per second TPDDI, 155 megabits per second ATM, ISDN, voice, token ring type 3 and EIA/TIA applications. Provides high-speed connections up to 550 MHz, 1 gigabit per second. Molded RJ45 connectors and gold-plated copper contacts for maximum conductivity and minimum data loss. Recommended for home or office Gigabit Ethernet networks with fast data, voice and audio, video transfers that require high bandwidth. Tripp Lite's N200-050 Cat6 Gigabit molded patch cable with dual RJ45 male plugs connects high-speed network components like computers, switches, patch panels, routers and modems. The cable and molded ends are color-coded purple for quick identification in a crowded network. The N200-050 meets most current industry standards, including IEEE 802.3 AB, IEEE 802.5, ANSI, EIA, TIA 568, ISO, IEC 11801 and ETL, Category 6 Draft 11. It holds near-end crosstalk, next levels to a minimum, while delivering a flawless signal. It is designed for 1000 base T, Gigabit Ethernet, 10100 base T, Ethernet, 100 megabits per second TPDDI, 155 megabits per second ATM, ISDN, voice, token ring type 3 and EIA/TIA applications. Top reviews from the United States. Cat6 cable is an improvement over Cat5, it was worth changing the cable. This Cat6 cable was very easy to make my cable run. Nice and flexible.